Alright, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to make your keychron Q1 thock. Basically here I'm just showing you that the hex key is underneath everything in the box. I couldn't find it because I'm an idiot. Anyway, open your keyboard and then grab some blue painter's tape and put it on top of your PCB, which is a motherboard looking thing, and I'd say do 3 layers. Then grab some more tape and cut little pieces and put it around the screw holes. Yeah, and then if you have an extra foam laying around, grab 2 pieces of it that will cover your PCB and then seal it back up.